Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Dev for Dynamic. Today we are going to solve another problem, shifting letters second. So basically here in the question given a string which is a lowercase English letter and 2D integer array shift of I. So it have start I and end I and direction I. So start, end and direction. So basically he is saying here mm, direction of I is equal to what? So means we have to shift one character forward. So here he is saying like if it is A, so it will be become B. If it is B, it will become C. And direction of I means it is we have to shift in backward direction. If suppose we have B, so we have to do A back, we will become A. And from A, if it is A, so it will become Z. So it is circular line. And that is saying here, after that we have to return a string after shifting. And in inclusive, so in included. So here he is giving one example. I have copied here. So we are going to solve this problem like we can use brute force approach. Basically, what we can do for every query, like this is a one query, this is a query two, we will shift it. Suppose it start from 0 and 1. So these two character we have to shift backward because it is 0, so it becomes Z and it become A and it becomes C. After that again for this 1 from 1 it is Z, 1 from 2. So we have to forward B and then D. We have to forward. And again we have to 0 to 2. All these we have to forward ZB. After that it will come A and B become A C and D become E. So ACE, I think it will be answer ACE. Uh, so this is a brute force approach we can solve this problem. But you can see that query length is 10 ki power 5, I think. Yeah, we have length of query is 5 into 10 ki power 4. S length and shift length also. Shift means query I'm saying. So 5 into 10 ki power 4. So for every time uh, if we apply brute force approach, time complexity will exceed. So problem will not accept here. So we have to solve this problem smartly. So what we can do here, like I'm going to solve by using prefix sum. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, and 4. Suppose we have 0 and 1. So we are going to create array or we can say memo. So for 0. And so because it is 0, so we have to don minus 1. Minus 1. So in 0 character, we will insert minus 1 here because it is already 0, so it become minus 1. And now for 1. So for this, we have to do till here. We have to do minus 1. So after that, we don't have to do anything. So how we can achieve this? In starting, it is 0, 0. So we have to do 0 to here 1. Suppose like here I'm going to take another one. Here it is start from 0 and 2. So it will start from 0 like here. It is forward 1 and it will go to 2. So here. So all these three value will be we will must have to increment by 1. So basically to solve this problem, I'm going to mark this one. Like I have to add here 1 plus 1 and we are going to use like prefix sum. So when it will come 1, so we will add from this array of I, it is 0, so it will prefix some 1. So every element will be added 1 until until we have to add to 2. So when we come here, we don't have to add. So we just have to insert here -1 at fourth index, sorry, at 3 index, because it is 2. So we have to do after this element, we have to do -1. So basically, I'm going to create array like here. So I'm adding -1. It will add, we will create a prefix of -1, and it is 0 now and 0. So prefix sum for this is -1, and prefix for this sum must be +1. So for this query, it will not impact. So it will become 0 when let here come -1 plus 0 is equal to -1, -1 plus 1 becomes 0. So it will not answer, it will change only these two value 1 and 2 for this -1, and -1 plus 0 is, so it will b become 1, b become a, and for this it will not change because it is 0. Again for this value 1 to 2. So here we have to start from here, we have to increment like, so it will become 1 because it is 0, and for 2 index, so we have to 3, it is 3, so 2, so uh, become normal, we have to add here 2 plus 1 3, which is this, and we have to just reverse this, so -1. Again for 0 to 2, so here if you see 0 to 2, we have to go forward, so we will add here +1, so it will become, I'm taking new array, it will become new array 0, and it will become 1, it is 1 for 2, so we have to add till here we don't have to change anything, after that we have to reverse it, so it becomes -1 plus 1 is 0. So basically, sorry, it will become -2. So basically we have to reverse. So it become -2. So similarly, I am going to solve by using this. After that, we can say that we can calculate prefix sum. So here 0, here 1, it become 2, and it will become 0. Last index is 0. So it is we can say that this is a prefix sum. So I'm not going to take another array for prefix sum. I'm just initialize a variable because we don't need a previous value and forward value. We will use only integer value. So here first we have to calculate. I'll take array integer n s, I think s not s, integer integer n is equal to s dot length, length, and after that we have to create array new int n plus 1. We need plus 1 because for and index we have to add 1. After that we have to just reverse. For integer I is equal to 0. So basically we have to create our shift. So integer array, this will shift, and after that we will shift here. So we have to, so for shift of first start. So for start value we have add 0 index. So basically here what we have to do. So if shift of shift of 2 equal to 1, that means we have to add 1, else we have to minus 1. 1, this is for forward, this is for backward. And similarly, we have to just for one index, it is for end index, so we have to add 1. After this element, we have to normalize, we have to remove this impact. So basically, we have to reverse this. Whatever I'm added, after that, we have to reverse this. And now here, we need a char of array, which will store character, and it will to char array, and we have to take a for loop integer I is equal to 0, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus. Now, as I said, we need a prefix variable, prefix, which is in starting 0. So we have to add prefix array of I. After that, let me tell you one thing here. Suppose we have A and B, C, and it becomes Z. So if it start from, I'm assuming it start from 0, 1, 2, and dot 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 25. So we have to this. Suppose we added in A. I'm taking a 100 shift here. So we have to take a percentile of 26. Whatever remainder come, it will become a shift of this number. So for this, what we have to do? Let me make a formula for positive number only here. I'm making first. After that, I will make for negative. So this is a character. So I'm taking this one. After that, must have to reduce a. So for a minus a become 0, b minus a become 1. After that, we have to add shift here. And now we have to do percentile of 26. So this is for forward shift. If we have a case, another case for backward shift. Suppose we have a here, and if we take backward, it will come here. A b to a. So how it will, like we have 1, we have to do minus 1, whatever shift we have to take. So it will become this. And after that, we have to add here a. After shifting it, it becomes 0. So after that, we have to add here plus 26. Why I'm adding this? I will tell you. Just wait. And after that, we have to do percentile 26. Suppose we have one here. Mm, Let me choose pencil. Suppose instead of 1, we have here, just let me do 4. So 1 minus 4 become minus 3. Minus 3 percentile 26 become, if 26 is not here, so it is negative. To normalize this, we have to add plus 26. Either we can add later, we can later, and we can add earlier here. So basically what happened here, 1 minus 2 sorry, it is 3. So it is 3 and it become 23. So 3 minus. So if you see 23, we have to take minus 4. We are here and we have to take 4 shift. For first shift, it will come here for 25, and for second shift, it is 24. for third. 22. Sorry, for this I'm calculating. Sorry, one is B. For first shift, it will come here. For second shift, it is here. And for third, here. For fourth, here. I'm taking A 1. So it is 1 here. So I'm going to modify this one. Character minus A and plus shift. And we have to add plus 26. And after that, plus 26. Again, we have example here like I'm taking only minus 4. Suppose we have minus 100 here. So this one will not work because again it will go negative. So to normalize it minus 100, we again going to take percentile 26. So it will remove circular. So I'm going to take here percentile 26. So it will return number like 0, 1, 2, 3, what position have. After that, we have to add character here like as this. So it will return circular, this formula. So we can say that chars of I equal to, we have to add a, and here we have chars of I, which is old one, and after that we need shift. What is shift here? Shift here prefix. How many prefix? And after that, let me create the formula. So first we have to add minus here, minus here, and we have to take percentile 26, and after that we have to add plus 26. Now here we have to take percentile 26. So this is, and after that simply we have to return chars. So let me compile it. So it will not like this question mark 672 error. Prefix. So basically he is saying we have to cast it. So here we have to return new string chars. Yeah, that's it. Let me submit it. Uh, I think this is a correct one, but I think we can optimize this. Like we can remove plus here, and I'm just checking. After that, I think we have to add plus 26. It will be also work, I think. Let's see. Not working. Yeah, I'm thinking something. Ignore that. Yeah, thank you guys to watching my channel. Please feel free to contact, and if you like my video, please like and comment.